Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Now let's find the biometrics, and here we've got the fingerprint, so let's tap. Let's tap on continue. And as you can see, first of all, we'll have to add the screen lock. Of course, if you've got one currently set, you will be transferred to another step. If not, you have to do it right now. So just tap on next and pick the option you prefer. Let me pick maybe the pattern. So let me draw it, tap on continue, redraw it and confirm. So now we have to place our finger on the sensor, which is located in this configuration at the top of the device on the power button right here. So basically all we have to do is to put our finger on the sensor, and right now let's do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every corner for better recognition, of course. Okay, we just successfully added it, so we can add another or just tap on done. No. Alright, and here we've got the section with the fingerprints. So this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it if you want to, right here. You can add another fingerprint, so I believe like up to 5 fingerprints. You can check added fingerprints, so it will be useful if you've got a lot of fingerprints added. You could decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for, etc. So let me look at the device quickly and check if it is working. So let me do it. And as you can see, the device is immediately unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.